Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan to receive another batch of 1.2 million AstraZeneca doses next month. Pakistan will receive another batch of over 1.2 million doses of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine under COVAX next month after receiving the first consignment 2 days back. UK military chief calls on Qamar Bajwa discusses Afghan peace. Chief of Defence Staff, United Kingdom, General Sir Nicholas Patrick on Monday called on Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa and discussed developments in the Afghan peace process. Afghan Taliban declares 3-day ceasefire for Eid celebration. Taliban insurgents said on Monday they would observe a 3-day ceasefire in Afghanistan for Eid celebration, starting this week after weeks of increasing violence that gripped the country. Wrongly buried corpse allegedly killed 21 Indians with COVID. About 21 people have reportedly died in just as many days at a village in Sikar district, allegedly after a COVID-infected corpse was buried without following protocol. UAE bans entry of travelers from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka starting May 12th. The UAE has announced the suspension of entry for travelers from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal and Sri Lanka on all flights on national and foreign carriers, as well as for transit passengers coming from these countries starting Wednesday, May 12, 2021. Hundreds wounded as Israeli forces attack Palestine worshippers at Al-Aqsa Mosque. Hundreds of Palestinians were wounded on Monday as Israeli security forces attacked Palestine worshippers at Al-Aqsa Mosque compound. Iran confirms talks with Saudi Arabia, promises best efforts. Iran confirmed publicly for the first time on Monday that it is in talks with its regional arch-rival Saudi Arabia, saying it would do what it could to resolve issue between them. Death toll rises to 85 in Afghanistan girls' school bomb attack. The death toll in a bomb attack targeting schoolgirls in Kabul on Saturday has risen to 85. UK PM Johnson to ease England's lockdown. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson will set out on Monday the next phase of lockdown easing in England, giving the green light to cautious hugging and allowing pubs to serve customers pints inside after months of strict measures. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.